Look at what just showed up at my doorstep, the HiveMapper Dashcam. Let's go ahead and start earning some crypto. Today's video is sponsored by the team at Bybit.com. Buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrency should not require you to jump through hoops in 2023. The team at Bybit has you covered. Crypto mining enthusiasts now have a platform to transfer their mined crypto to and liquidate it quickly, easily, and on the go. In a situation where you need to purchase cryptocurrency with a credit card or debit card, no sweat. Bybit provides you multiple avenues for purchasing crypto instantly. Where are my crypto traders at? Bybit has an arsenal of features for spot trading, margin trading, copy trading, and trading bots. Currently, if you deposit $100 with Bybit, you'll receive an extra $20 USDT. Check out Bybit today via the link in the video description. So the team over at HiveMapper wanted my honest review of their brand new HiveMapper Dashcam, and I'm all for it. I can't complain. I mean, think of it. I can drive and earn crypto at the exact same time. Why not? Now, I couldn't go ahead and have them send me one without sending you one. So we are going to be doing a giveaway in conjunction with the team over at HiveMapper. And if you watch till the end of the video, I'll give you the details on exactly how to enter the giveaway to win yourselves one of these. So let's take a look at exactly what this HiveMapper Dashcam is, and then we'll unbox it and install it in my Lamborghini. All right, so we're over at HiveMapper.com if you guys want to follow along. And right on the website, building a better map together. The world's first crypto-enabled dashcam represents a fundamental shift in how maps are built. So let's summarize that a little bit. So they have a few different dashcams out there. They have the Dashcam or the Dashcam S. Now I believe the Dashcam S has not come out quite yet. So we're dealing with just the Dashcam. And the contribute page actually has a great step-by-step guide on this. So I'm going to show you guys because I think it explains what is this dash cam and what does it do at a really good level that I wouldn't be able to do outright. So first off, you order the dash cam. Well, we didn't order it. We got it from HiveMapper. Thank you to HiveMapper. Step 2, mount it to the dash cam. So we're going to go ahead and mount our dash cam in my Lamborghini here at the very end of this video. Step 3, connect the dash cam to your app. So right away, we're learning the dash cam needs the app in the phone in order to work properly. It says here, after installing the Dashcam, you'll need to sync it with the HiveMapper app. The app uploads your Dashcam imagery to the HiveMapper network. Okay, so the cell phone is kind of acting as the go-between between the Dashcam and the HiveMapper network. Step 4, see the map grow. This totally reminds me of Uber. The imagery you collect contributes to building a fresh and complete map of the world. Simply drive and watch the map grow. And step 5, which is what we're most interested in, earn honey tokens. You'll earn honey tokens for successfully uploading the map imagery your dashcam collects. Awesome. So how much is the honey token worth is what I want to know. All right, so we're over on CoinGecko and we've looked up honey, and there's a few different honey ones out there. So make sure you have the one with the blue with the white bee in the, and it actually says HiveMapper next to it, makes it significantly easier. Currently, as of today, which is May 10th, it is worth a total of 2 cents. It's not a fortune right now. May be a fortune at some day. Who knows? Who knows what we'll get? But at least it's not 0.000001. Now, scrolling down, let's take a look at our 1 year mark here. And it looks like at our high, we were about 7 cents there. And that was back in February of 2023. Today, we're at 2 cents. So let's go ahead, guys, and get this HiveMapper Dashcam unboxed. All right, here we have it. Welcome to HiveMapper. Let's go ahead. Open this up. Ooh, let's build a better map together. Scan the QR code above to get started or visit, and it gives us the website. That probably takes us to the app itself. We've got a little booklet here. We got some little honeybee stickers to add to our sticker collection, as well as the HiveMapper name there. Ooh, we get a HiveMapper balloon. Fancy. Damn, wow, look at the size of this. This is much bigger than I thought. Holy cow. I expected something like half the size. So we have our camera in the front, some type of thread for a mount on the top here, as well as the bottom. it looks like a camera, so maybe a recording light on the top. The second one, I believe, I have no clue, I haven't looked, maybe a location or GPS light, and then a power light there. Some other type of plug here, maybe that's for power, or that could be for power there too. Oh, that came off there. Let's put that back in, maybe. There we go. What is this massive thing in the middle? I wonder if that's part of the camera. And look, it actually gets hot, it says. That's different. Or another mount. So it looks like you can mount it pretty much on 3 out of the 4 sides. What do we have here? We have a mount. Kind of reminds me of a GoPro mount a little bit. And a cigarette lighter plug. All right, that's all we got in the box. So let's head out to my Lamborghini. We're going to scan our QR code and get this installed. All right, guys, check it out, the HiveMapper. We have it installed. It is significantly bigger than I thought once I had this up and running. I mean, when I put my phone on this magnetic mount, it's like I got a cockpit here. But hey, we're inside our Lamborghini. Remember, Lamborghini, first HiveMapper in our Lamborghini. Anyways, comes with this mount, really strong 3M tape up here, which holds really strong. I was actually really impressed. The mount's pretty flexible. I was seeing I saw a video. I had to go on YouTube, find a video, and you actually want to tilt it upwards, like 15% upwards. They say like 10 to 15 degree upwards there. It is powering up right now. I do need to connect my phone to it. It isn't battery powered, which would be awesome, but I doubt it'd be able to. I think this thing runs crazy hot. I mean, look, you even got this little symbol here, and then it connects down to your cigarette lighter here. So, all right, it is what it is. We'll take it. Now, you do end up having to use your phone the entire time. You actually take your phone. It's really weird. I thought it was Bluetooth. It's wireless. You go ahead and connect to the wireless hotspot. It's like a wireless SSID called like HiveMapper or whatever. And when you connect to it, there's no I don't even know the password. I had to Google it to find the password. So anyways, if that gives you any indication, the setup wizard needs a ton of love. HiveMapper, I'm giving my honest opinion. Your app step-by-step guide to get started needs some love. We'll just put it that way. I ended up having to call Hawk Crypto Mining. Hawk, thank you. I called Hawk Crypto and I was like, dude, what is going on? Now, unfortunately, he uses iOS. The Android app is significantly different. The iOS app has like the connect your dash cam button and stuff like that. The Android, I love Android. I'm never going to go to iPhone. The Android does not have that. The Android one needs some help. Anyways, we're up and running. I've only driven a few miles. I don't want to report anything quite yet. I'm going to check back in a few weeks, let you guys know how things went with the HiveMapper. In the meantime, don't go far. We're going to go ahead and give you guys the details to enter the HiveMapper giveaway. All right, one last note. It's not a Lamborghini. I know, you must be really disappointed. Rocking the Nissan SUV. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway. So how do you enter the giveaway to win one of these guys, a HiveMapper? Well, HiveMapper is going ahead and hosting this, so huge shout out to them. Thank you guys very much for not only supplying us the HiveMapper, but also going ahead and providing one for the hobbyist miner community. So directly down below, you guys will see a gleam.io link. It is available at the time of this video, and you can go over and enter. Entering is entirely free. You actually use different social media methods to enter the giveaway. And after 30 days, actually it says here on June 10th, a winner will be selected and HiveMapper will mail it directly out to you. So go check out that link directly down below on gleam.io. All right, guys, so that wraps up today's video on the HiveMapper. I'll have a follow-up video and maybe several more on how I've made out with this unit. I've already started to look into different areas around me that pay more than others. It's a really cool system. I mean, it keeps on going as to my research and findings on the project, ways to make money, areas to map, areas that don't need mapped, areas that pay extra to map. There's so much out there and it's been a lot of fun. I've also really enjoyed a lot of other YouTubers that are doing content on the HiveMapper. I love these little projects and maybe you guys will too. Links to this giveaway and everything else are directly down below. If you guys enjoyed today's video and want to see a follow-up, give it one of these and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Where are my GPU miners at? I'd like to introduce you to hobbyistminers.store, who can turn down a high quality t-shirt with your favorite NVIDIA graphics cards in a simplistic design. The spring 2023 collection just dropped a few weeks ago. with 17 brand new limited edition designs. What makes them limited edition? Well, every 3 months, a brand new collection is released, and their previous one is decommissioned forever. It'll never be sold again. Stop on over and check out your favorite GPU mining t-shirts at hobbyistminers.store today.